Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vlada. I've got a very special video for you today. I'm going to show all of my amazing followers what I do on an average Saturday. I've shown you plenty of easy DIY remedies, but I haven't had the chance to really let you in on a slice of my life. So today, I'm going to show you what I do on a daily basis. One thing that always gets me up and going first thing in the morning is brushing my teeth. The minty taste of toothpaste perks me right up and gives my teeth a pearly white glow. I know a lot of people typically roll out of bed and start their coffee machine, but I just have to get that icky morning breath out of my mouth first thing. After I'm done brushing my teeth, I like to put my best face forward. So, I usually begin my skincare routine first thing in the morning. I like to tailor my skincare routines to the issues I'm having with my skin that day. Is my skin looking dull and dehydrated? Do I need to deal with enlarged pores or acne spots? I've decided to use some homemade aloe vera face wash. My mom helped me make it. We're going to use this to start off the day. As you probably already know if you've been watching my videos, aloe is a gentle, hydrating plant that doesn't clog the pores. It also gives my face an instant brightening boost. Aloe is also nice because the hydrating benefits instantly plump up any shallow-looking areas or fine lines. Once I'm done thoroughly rubbing in the aloe vera gel, I rinse it off with a bit of water. As you can see, I prefer to dry the skin on my face by gently dabbing the towel instead of rubbing vigorously. This will help to prevent wrinkles and irritation. This aloe vera cleanser has been a go-to of mine for years, and it's never let me down. As you can see, my skin looks positively radiant. Now, I'm sure you've all heard this before, but I truly believe that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. A healthy meal in the morning is the perfect way to jumpstart your day. Typically, I opt for something easy, like a banana and natural sugar-free cereals. Eating some healthy grains first thing in the morning leaves me feeling fuller, longer, which is quite important if you're on a diet or you're watching your weight. One of my favorite places to eat is right here on my back porch. I've got some lovely views. Although I love drinks like apple juice and orange juice, they are packed with sugar that I just don't need. So, I opt for more healthy options during my daily morning routine. Today, I've decided to make some simple, tasty lemon water, which has the added benefit of keeping my skin hydrated throughout the day. If I've got some time on my hands, I like to have a little at-home spa day and really pamper my skin. After steaming my face to open up my pores, I mix together a combination of plain flour and milk. The consistency should be quite thick. After pinning my hair back, I apply the mask all over my face using a cotton round like this one. I allow the mixture to set on my face for 20 minutes before rinsing it away with my DIY aloe vera face wash. The aloe vera face wash is nice because you can use it as often as possible and you won't dry out your skin. On my days off, I love to lie down and relax and dive into a great book. I set a goal for myself to read at least one book a month this year, and I've been doing a pretty good job of it so far. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of books you've been reading lately. After chilling at home for a bit, I like to stroll around my local mall and check out the latest trends. As a beauty influencer, I like to keep up with the latest trends and innovations. When I'm out and about, I'll typically pop into my local grocery store to stock up on a few things for the week. Natural remedies don't make themselves after all. I have been absolutely loving crunchy snacks lately. Bagel chips, cheesy onion chips, you name it. What are some of your favorite guilty pleasure snacks? I'd love to hear about your go-to munchies in the comments below. While you're there, I'd love some recommendations for more healthy snacks. Are there any tasty but good for you snacks that you've been enjoying lately? When I get back home, I love to kick back, relax, and turn on the telly. I've got a bit of an obsession with programs like The Voice and The X Factor. Everyone on there is so talented. Makes me a little bit jealous. What are some of your all-time favorite TV shows? I've been in the mood for a Netflix binge lately. After I've had some TV time, it's time for fresh air. I love to spend time outside and enjoy a cup of black coffee. Did you know that black coffee is packed with antioxidants? It also helps to boost your memory and even helps with weight loss too, which is great due to all the chips I've been eating. After a long day of running around, it's time for my nighttime skincare routine. One of my absolute favorite nighttime remedies is my DIY turmeric mask. This mask targets lots of problem areas. If you have wrinkles, dark circles, or acne marks, this mask is for you. The recipe is really simple. Just use 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 3 tablespoons of curd. The mask should be thick and yellow in color. I simply apply it to my entire face and allow it to set for several minutes. Be sure to apply a nice, thick, even layer all over your face. Remember, this face mask can target almost any problem, so don't be shy when it comes to application. After allowing it to set for several minutes, I rinse off the mask with my trusty DIY aloe face wash. After washing my face and brushing my teeth, it's time for bed. I wanted to thank you all for joining me for my daily routine video. Until next time, bye-bye and good night, everyone.